This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss short question and answers of chapter arrays. So we have discussed total 18 questions so far. So we will start from question number 19. The question is, question can be asked as, define array, or what is an array? The answer is, you can define it as an array is a collection of variables that can store data of same type and the syntax is, you can write down the syntax: array name bracket parenthesis size of array. This is how the syntax of an array is defined. So let's write down that as well. Next question, number 20. The question is, describe the use of array or write 3 uses of an array. So the answer is, array is used, number 1, to process a large amount of data of same type. Number 2, the array is represented in the computer's memory by a set of consecutive memory locations. Number 3, with the help of an array we can find largest and smallest number. So there are 3 uses of array we have discussed in question number 20. Next question, number 21. The question is, my dear viewers, define array declaration. The answer is, so we will define it as, array declaration means to identify the name of an array, its type, and total number of its elements. When an array is declared, a memory block with required number of consecutive memory locations is reserved in the computer memory for storing data. In basic means GW basic, there is no need to declare an array properly if you are using small array having maximum 10 elements. The basic automatically adjusts to adjust the memory space for 10 elements with index value 0 to 9. So this is a very important point to note, that it automatically adjusts the memory space for 10 elements. Next question, number 22. Question is, write down the method of array declaration, or this question can be asked as differentiate between 1D array and 2D array, means one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. So first we will discuss the one-dimensional array. The answer is the general syntax for 1D array declaration is, now we will write down the syntax. dim array name variable. Actually the array name is a variable name of the variable, where and enclosed in the parenthesis is the subscript. The explanation, we will write down the explanation. You can write down where array name represents the name of an array, and n represents the size of array. Now we'll discuss the two-dimensional array. So the two, or you can call two-dimensional array, can be declared as dim array name. So there should not be any space between array and name, like this. Dim array name, and within the parentheses we can type rows, comma, columns, because this two-dimensional array is also called table or matrix. So the rows, number of rows and columns are there, so we can write rows and columns. First we write the rows and then columns. This is how a two-dimensional array is defined. The syntax we have just written above, where rows represent the number of rows and columns represent the number of columns in an array. Next question, number 23. The question is, what is the use of subscript variable in an array? Or this question can be asked as, describe the use of subscript variable in an array. Or this question can be asked as, define subscript in an array. So the answer is, dear viewers, you can type subscript variables help in the access of elements of an array. They represent the position or location of an element in an array. Next question, number 24. The question is, how subscript variable can be written? The answer is, subscript variable is written after the name of the array in small brackets, parentheses, on its general syntax is line number, array name / variable, and this n is a subscript enclosed in parentheses. And the example is, you can type 10 as line number, and is the array name or variable, and I is used as a subscript. Next question, number 25. Question is, what is filling of array? The answer is to assign data number or string to an array is called filling of an array. It can be entered by let comma read or input statements. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video, viewers. We have discussed we have started from question number 19 and completed till question number 25 in today's video. So in our upcoming videos we will discuss more questions and answers related to the chapter arrays. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.